Uh-huh. Hello, hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope this finds you well. So, I'm now very, very happy to come back to our channel in order to continue running. Yes? Are you ready? Thank you so much. Today, we have now a new topic, which is preposition. Preposition of place. Preposition of place. Huh? In English, in Kinyarwanda, indangahantu. 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 Huh? Uh-huh. Can you repeat? Indangahantu. Huh? Thank you. Huh? En français, complément circonstanciel de lié. Hein? Complément circonstanciel de lié. Hein? Can you repeat? Complément circonstanciel de lié. Thank you so much. Today, we are going to use 7 prepositions. 7 prepositions. We have in, on, under, near, in front of, behind, and above. Are you ready? Thank you so much. So let's now start together. There is a book in the back. There is a book in the back. Yes? In Kinyarwanda, mu gikapu harimo igitabo. Mu gikapu harimo igitabo. Mu. You see? Mu. Mu. Mu gikapu harimo igitabo. There is a book in the bag. Means that it means mu. Yes? So let's see how we can say in French. Il y a un livre dans le cartable. Il y a un livre dans le cartable. Dans. In means dans. Are we together? Do you get the point? Yes? Il y a un livre dans le cartable. Est-ce que tu peux répéter? Or, can you repeat? Il y a un livre dans le cartable. Thank you so much. So, let's use now number 2, on. Yes? There are cups on the table. There are cups on the table. Yes? So let's see now how we can use it in Kinyarwanda. So here we have now plural words. Cups, plural words. Means that even in Kinyarwanda you have to use the word but in plural. So hari ibikombe ku meza. Hari ibikombe ku meza. Ku. Ibikombe is the plural word. Because in a singular word you have igikombe. Igikombe. Means that we should say hari igikombe ku meza in singular, but we have plural one. Hari ibikombe ku meza. Hari ibikombe ku meza. Can you repeat? Yes, thank you. In French or en français, il y a des gobelets sur la table. Il y a des gobelets sur la table. Yes, il y a. So let's now see how we use it. We say it in French or en français. Il y a des gobelets sur la table. Il y a des gobelets sur la table. Means that on means sur. On en français is sur. Are we together? Il y a des gobelets sur la table. Can you repeat? Thank you so much. So number 3, under. We have under. Under. There is a duster under the table. There is a duster under the table. So a duster under the table. Yes, in Kinyarwanda. Igihanaguzo kiri munsi y'ameza. Igihanaguzo kiri munsi y'ameza. A duster. Igihanaguzo. Yes? Yes? Igihanaguzo. Yes? Igihanaguzo kiri munsi y'ameza. En français, le chiffon est sous la table. Hein? Le chiffon est sous la table. Sous la table means that under in French we say sous, sous, sous. Hein? Sous, hein? Under, munsi, and sous. Hein? In Kinyarwanda, munsi, en français, sous. Hein? Le chiffon est sous la table. Uh-huh. Yes? It's very clear and it's very easy also. Yes. Thank you so much. Mm-hmm. There are trees near the house. Huh? There are trees near the house. Near. Huh? Yes? Uh-huh. Hari ibiti iruhande rw'inzu. Hari ibiti iruhande rw'inzu. As here we have plural word, so here also we have ibiti in plural, because in singular word we have igiti. Igiti, and in plural ibiti. Hari ibiti iruhande rw'inzu. Iruhande, near, iruhande, near, iruhande. In Kinyarwanda. So let's use it now in French. Il y a des arbres à côté de la maison. Il y a des arbres à côté de la maison. Il y a des arbres à côté de la maison. Can you repeat? Il y a des arbres à côté de la maison. À côté. Near. Yes. In Kinyarwanda, iruhande. In French, à côté. À côté. À côté. À côté. Can you repeat? À côté. Il y a des arbres à côté de la maison. Yes. Thank you so much. We have also number 5. There is a sheep behind a cow. There is a sheep behind a cow. Behind. Inyuma ya. Inyuma. In Kinyarwanda, inyuma. Inyuma y'inka hari intama. A sheep, intama. A cow, inka. Yes, in Kinyarwanda. There is a sheep behind a cow. Inyuma y'inka hari intama. Or you can say hari intama inyuma y'inka. Yes, inyuma y'inka hari intama. Yes, that's the same. And it is very easy there. So let's see now how we can now use it in French. Il y a le mouton derrière la vache. Il y a le mouton derrière la vache. Il y a le mouton derrière la vache. Yes, le mouton. A sheep. Le mouton. A cow. La vache. La vache. Il y a le mouton derrière la vache. So it means that behind means in Kinyarwanda inyuma, en français derrière. Derrière. Can you repeat? Derrière. Il y a le mouton derrière la vache. Thank you so much. So let's see now number 6. There is a blackboard in front of the students. There is a blackboard in front of the students. In front of. Yes, in front of. So let's see now can say it in Kinyarwanda. Hari ikibaho imbere y'abanyeshuri. Hari ikibaho imbere y'abanyeshuri. Imbere. You see, in front of means imbere. Imbere y'abanyeshuri. A blackboard. Ikibaho. In front of, imbere. Students, abanyeshuri. Hari ikibaho imbere y'abanyeshuri. Can you repeat? So let's now see how we can say it in French. En français. Il y a le tableau devant les élèves. Il y a le tableau devant les élèves. Devant. Imbere. Devant. In front of. Imbere. Devant. Il y a le tableau devant les élèves. Thank you so much. So the last one for today we have above. There are clouds above the mountain. There are clouds above the mountain. Yes. I hope you see where the sentence. So in Kinyarwanda hari ibicu, or you can say ibicu or ibihu. It is the same. Hari ibicu hejuru y'umusozi. Yes, ibicu, clouds. Ibihu or ibihu in Kinyarwanda. So hejuru, above. Hejuru, above. Y'umusozi. Umusozi, a mountain. Y'umusozi, a mountain. Hari ibicu hejuru y'umusozi. Yes? So let's see now in French or en français. Il y a des nuages sur la montagne. Il y a des nuages sur la montagne. Il y a des nuages sur la montagne. Yes? Are you together there? Yes, it is very clear. So you see, sur also it can be used as it can mean above. Yes, in Kinyarwanda, hejuru. So I think here it is now clear and very easy. So let's now do some exercise here. Yes, exercise. Imyitozo. Exercice. Exercice. Thank you so much. So now let's use a pen. Can you please tell me where a pen is? Yes? For example, you can say a pen is on the table. A pen is on the table. Yes? Or you can use other place. You can say a pen is on the table. Yes? Wow. You can say, you can use also flower. Flower. A flower is on the cupboard. A flower is on the cupboard. Yes? Or a flower is under the cupboard. Yes? Chair. The chair is in the house. In the house. They are used in. Yes? Or you can say children are in the house. In the house. Or children are in the classroom. Yes? That's okay. You can now construct many sentences using those prepositions. Yes. Let's see now here in Kinyarwanda. Koresha ikaramu. Ikaramu. Ikaramu irihe. When I ask you in Kinyarwanda, ikaramu irihe. In English means, where is the pen? Where is the pen? The pen is on the table. In Kinyarwanda, ikaramu irihe. Ikaramu irihe. So, can you answer to this question? Yes? Ikaramu iri ku meza. Ikaramu iri ku meza. Or ikaramu iri mu gikapu. In the bag. Yes? Ikaramu iri mu gikapu. Yes? Ururabo. Ururabo means a flower. A flower. Ururabo. Yes? Where is the flower? Where is the flower? Yes? As the answer, ururabo ruri ku meza. Ururabo ruri mu kabati. Yes? Ku meza, mu kabati. Ururabo ruri iruhande rw'ameza. Yes? Near the table, for example. Yes? There, it's okay. Intebe. Intebe or a chair. Yes? Intebe iri hehe. Can you answer? Intebe iri he. Yes? You can say intebe iri mu nzu. In the house. Intebe iri mu nzu. Yes? Thank you so much. Use abana. Abana. Abana means children. 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 Yes. Abana. Abana. Yes. When I ask you, abana bari he. Abana bari he. So, as I think you can now answer to this question. Abana bari he? Tell me. Abana bari mu ishuri. In the classroom. Or abana bari in the house. Yes? Yeah, you can now use the place you can choose. You want. So let's now see how we can say it en français, in French. Où est le stylo? Où est le stylo? Where is the pen? Où est le stylo? Le stylo est sur la table. Le stylo est sur la table. Où est la fleur? Où est la fleur? The flower. La fleur. Où est la fleur? la fleur est sous la table. Hein? Or, la fleur est sur la table. Hein? Or, la fleur est dans la classe. Hein? Or, la fleur est dans la maison. Hein? Oui? Uh-huh. Oui? Or, sir, you can use what you want. Uh-huh. Où est la chaise? Où est la chaise? Can you answer? Yes. La chaise est dans la classe. Hein? La chaise est dans la maison. Hein? Très bien. Hein? Very good. Hein? Où sont les enfants? Où sont les enfants? Parce que, because les enfants, c'est, it is now a plural word. So we say, où sont les enfants? Hmm? Où sont les enfants? You can now answer. Les enfants sont en classe. Hein? Les enfants sont en classe. Hein? They are in the classroom. Hein? Les enfants sont en classe. Can you repeat? Hein? Les enfants sont en classe. Yes, in the classroom. Hein? Or, les enfants sont à la maison. Hein? Ou dans la maison. Hein? C'est là. Hein? C'est, it means they are in the class or in the house. Yes. Huh? So I think here it is now very, very clear. So you need now to do many practice of these prepositions in English or in Dangahano, in Kinyarwanda, or complément circonstanciel de lié à français. Huh? So now I think you are able to do many exercise, or you can construct different sentences using these different prepositions in these 3 languages. Yes? You ready? Thank you so much. So now it is the end of our lesson of today. I love you so much.